Okay, now I would like to show you how to find the thickness and the diameter of the penny using a caliper. So to begin with, you want to make sure that the dial is at 0, like so. Okay, and then you will use the lower prongs to measure the thickness and the diameter of the penny. Okay, so first you open up the caliper with your thumb, and you want to first find the diameter of the penny by using the lower prongs. So you put your penny in like so. So now you want to look at the gray shaded region on top, and as you can see, the reading is close to 20, so we cannot say 20 millimeters because that is inaccurate. So we can say with certainty that it is 10. So now what you want to do is you want to add the 10 to the number that's displayed, the whole number that's displayed here, all right, on the circular knob. And so if you look a little more closely, you can see that the arrow has not reached the 9 exactly. So you say 10 plus 8, which is 18. And each of these tiny little increments in between are 0.1 of a millimeter, okay? So we can say 18 point, and you start counting all the tiny little increments, and it reaches the 9, so it's 18.9, and the hundredths place you estimate. So I would say, because it's so close to 19, I would say something like 18.99 millimeters. And finally, for the thickness of the penny, you put it in like so. All right, you close the prongs, hold it in there. And now the gray shaded region just tells you that the reading is above 0, so you look at the dial display. All right, so we can see that the arrow is somewhere between 1 and 2. So again, remember that the tiny increments are 0.1 of a millimeter. So as you can see, the arrow is just a bit past the 0.5 mark. So you can say 1.51 millimeter. And my penny fell. So using those two measurements, the diameter and thickness of the penny, you will find the volume of the penny in the lab. And this concludes my quick lesson on balance and caliper use in the lab.